Iconic.
Double challenge.
Passion.
With a persistently strong identity, in the course of time, denim has become a lifestyle to all intents and purposes. We cover all merchandise categories while continuing to promote Guess and Marciano, our two main brands.
The greatest challenge has consisted in keeping all the deadlines and consignment dates for the start of the sales campaigns, comprising the entire e-commerce business and all the other projects that have continued to multiply in time.
The management had been quite clear from the outset. Their intent was to streamline those processes whose efficiency was certainly inadequate for such a large company, in which the quantity of product needing to be shot every day is considerable. There has been a proper watershed moment in terms of photographic production.
Suddenly something clicked, because at the time we found ourselves in a position in which we had all the people, freelancers and equipment we needed, but were lacking an element that could bring all these resources together. In the spring of 2019, we transferred our photo studio in-house. In the space of 1 year, we've gone from 50 square meters to 700-800 square meters, entirely given over to sets. Today, we have 13 photographic sets able to operate contemporarily.
Inside these luminous booths, you can give free vent to your imagination and creativity. So it is then up to the photographer, or in my case, the video maker, to confer added value to this white canvas at our disposal.
It all used to be very manual. You had to go to a folder or ask someone to pass you a photo. Now I have everything automatically available on digital production. I just go there and find everything I need. This may even save me half a day's work.
The entire operational part of set startup and digital content storage has been vastly streamlined. Now everything takes place inside the same container. Post-producers can draw directly from the same container to continue the flow. A manual process has been eliminated completely.
When asked to supply a photo, in 2 seconds I look for it, knowing if and when I've taken it, who's taken it and where. In 10 minutes' time, I deliver it. Previously, this operation might have taken 1 or 2 days. I'm required to constantly provide productivity data and progress reports regarding shoots and image provision. This activity has become more rapid, particularly in the period leading up to the start of the sales campaigns, because I just enter 2 essential data and reports are automatically downloaded.
One good thing is that talents are able to operate using software and hardware that are common to all. This consequential uniformity is in no way prejudicial to their creativity, but creates consistency throughout all the resulting productions. This has reduced the time in which we're able to release content to the user by at least 30 to 35%. The second advantage is that of optimization. In other words, the avoidance of waste in content production. Here too, we used to have repetitions and therefore content duplicates for the same element. Today, everything is much neater. So, also, in this case, the 30 to 40% overlap that previously characterized 100 of production has practically been eliminated. Therefore, we produce no more than what is really required.